one with the hairy chest.
Right, okay, right, we'll start with the level ones. Just because these are really easy and I'll whiz through these. Okay, as soon as you're ready.
Magpie, blue tip, blue tip,
Good.
robin,
Good.
great tip, blackbird,
Good.
magpie,
Well done. Second one. Good. Next one. Level twos. Spread all these out for you. Oh, sorry. There we go. There's your level twos.
green finch,
Good.
green finch,
Yeah.
goldfinch,
Excellent.
sparrow,
Yeah.
red,
Yeah.
goldfinch,
Yeah.
chaffin,
Good. Good.
sparrow,
Yeah.
and long-tailed tip.
Well done. Good. Level two. Right, on to three. Let me spread all these out for you. There we go. Right. Let's see if you can do those ones.
Great splashing woodpecker,
Good.
jackdaw,
Excellent.
starling,
Yeah.
nuthatch.
Well done.
Great splashing woodpecker, jackdaw,
Good.
blue tip.
Yeah. Nuthatch. Good.
Is it done?
No.
Nuthatch. Cold tip.
Yeah. Cold tip.
Pied wagtail.
Good.
Pied wagtail.
Yeah.
Starling.
Good. Right, these are the ones often people get mixed up because there are similarities and there are differences. So which is which? Good girl. So which is the photo of the sunflower? Yeah, good. And actually they're much bigger than this bird. This one's about blackbird size. This one's smaller. What's that one? Good girl, done it. Yeah, well done. Good, that's your level three. Right, let's put the fours out. Nearly there, nearly there. There's lots of these. There we go. Right, when you're ready,
Pheasant.
start with the easy one.
Pheasant.
Pheasant, good,
Collared dove.
good,
Collared dove.
excellent.
Black-headed gull.
Right,
Black-headed gull. Sunny winter.
good. Which one's which?
Sunny winter.
Good,
A bullfinch.
well done,
Jay.
excellent.
Bullfinch.
And what's the difference in those two?
Female.
Excellent.
Carrion crow.
Brill,
Jay.
Jay, good.
Kestrel.
Straw,
Green woodpecker.
yeah,
Green woodpecker.
yeah,
Carrion crow.
yeah.
Is that a buzzard?
It is, good.
That's a sparrowhawk.
Good, excellent. Yeah,
Sparrowhawk.
good. That's a sparrowhawk as well. So what are we left with? Two more birds of prey.
Kestrel.
Kestrel, good.
And I forgot the name.
Last one, come on. Should we find the picture of it? You got the picture?
Is it a buzzard?
Yay! Good girl! Well done!